We investigated content sharing between mobile phones and large displays, which is central to many collaborative usage scenarios. However, common techniques such as QR codes usually require users to perform a sequence of individual interaction steps. Wireless techniques such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi generally do not allow users to specify a target position for transferred items. Our 5 novel techniques rely on a distance-dependent pointing cursor that facilitates pointing interaction at varying distances. At overview distance, projective pointing is used, whereas at close proximity, the cursor ignores the device orientation and uses orthogonal pointing. The first technique, FlickTransfer, is an improved state-of-the-art approach for single-item transfer. A flick towards the large display transfers selected items to it. Analogous. A flick downwards transfers the currently selected item to the mobile phone. JetTransfer is used for multi-item transfer complemented by rough and casual positioning. Users spray items in quick succession by touching the mobile phone, sliding upwards and holding. A transfer rate is based on the distance between initial and current touch position. Increasing drag distance will also increase transfer rate. To transfer items to the phone, users slide downwards and hold the mobile phone. This attracts all items within the area cursor and transfers them when they reach the center. Using LayoutTransfer, users can transmit items in a layout. The number of items to be transferred is determined by touching and moving the phone. After releasing the touch, users can adjust item spacing and size. To switch between states, users can press and release the finger at any time. Flicking upwards confirms the transfer. The type of the layout is determined by the initial direction of the cursor movement. The current prototype supports linear, fan, and grid layouts. SnapshotTransfer is a layout-preserving transfer technique. Users create a rectangular selection and transmit all items inside the selection by releasing the finger. The previously copied layout can be transferred back to the large display using FlickTransfer. RevealingTransfer combines previous techniques and can be used for single and multi-item transfer. Initially, only positions of geotagged photos are transferred to the large display, here shown using blue circles superimposed on a map. Tapping on the mobile phone transfers a single item. If the area cursor contains multiple items, only the most central is transferred. To transfer all items within the area cursor, users flick upwards instead of tapping. Finally, by swiping upwards and holding, users can transfer a sequence of items along a user-defined path. The techniques presented in this video illustrate the richness of the underlying design space, which we explore and describe in detail in our work.